Alright guys, got something in the mail today. Kind of excited about it. I think he's excited about it too. What do you think? Yeah, say cheers, right? Alright, so I got this package in the mail today. Look, it's from China. Go figure. So, let me open it and see what it is. Man, what a crappy knife. There we go. Ah, I see what it is. It's my shift knob for my car. That's cool. Well, let's go ahead and do an unboxing video while I'm doing this, I guess. So this is from Tenny Creative. I bought it off of Amazon for $15, I believe. It's a universal knob. Pops off just like that. These must be the universal, the universal tubes to go on the different shafts. Okay. What are you doing, Tristan? You making noise? Huh? Yeah, uh-oh. Comes off. It's like that. So as you see here, it's like a crackle blue with no cracks. I figured with the blue car, why not? I don't like the stock automatic shift knob, so figured I'd get this. Looks pretty neat. It's nice and thick in your hands. Good thick knob. So awesome. Like I said, this was like $15 at Amazon with free shipping. So I'll go and install it. Just like that. Easy peasy. Now I gotta find out which one of these will fit just like that. So I gotta find out which one of these adapters fits on this post. It's not moving at all, so no need to force it. Make sure all these are nice and tight. And that's it. So that's how to put on an automatic shift knob. I also have a how-to on the manual too, since I own the manual Veloster also. So if you want to go check that video out, you can. Anyways guys, I hope you guys liked that video. Like I said, I also have a how-to on the manual shifter Veloster because my last car was a manual. said, it's pretty straightforward. You know, take the bottom part off, take the clip out with some kind of hook or even a screwdriver might work. Hold off, put the other one on. It's easy as that. It's not as hard as you think it is. Anyways, old blue here. I got some more things I'm probably end up going to do in the next couple weeks. Probably some more plasti dipping. Go back to that and you know, do some weird patterns with it. Probably plasti dip the lights. You'll probably see how I'm going to do that. I'm getting tired of seeing the amber. I don't want to use vinyl this time. I used vinyl on my last car. By the way, 300 subscribers plus now. I think I'm right around 306. Freaking awesome, man. So awesome. And when I started this channel 4 years ago, or 5 years ago ish, all it was 0 to 60 videos and stuff like that for like my truck and the Avenger that I had and the Jetta. And then the funny thing is, I didn't start doing this kind of stuff, the how-tos and really until I got the Veloster, my red one, my manual. And I was only around like 150 subscribers in, and now I'm over 300, and I've had that. I mean, it's not a lot, like in some standards compared to, you know, say like that dude in blue or you know, TJ Hunt and stuff like them. But I like to do how-to videos on my cars. I'm not really much of going out and, you know, I did all team bash the other, you know, last month. But anyways, like I said, awesome. You guys are so cool. I know you guys, a lot of you guys have subscribed recently probably have a Veloster now, and there's not a lot of Veloster channels out there, but there is a couple of them, and they're all great people. Also, I've subscribed to all of them too, like Oscar and you know, Rally. You know, he's a pretty cool guy. And here I am representing. We got Black Hatch or Dark Hatch also as a YouTuber. All three of them are Veloster owners. All of them are Veloster YouTubers. Great guys. If you guys have not subscribed to those three yet, subscribe to them. Great guys. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a couple people on the top of my head, but it's not that hard to find a Veloster YouTuber out there. And pretty much all of us are unique in our own ways, and we're all starting to grow slowly but surely. But anyways, like I said, this is freaking awesome. 300 subscribers. Rally, I think he's just about hit 300 subscribers himself, which is awesome for him. Go over to him. He's going to do a giveaway soon on his mud flaps, I believe, his armor mud flaps. Anyways, like I said, once again, thank you guys very much. Appreciate you, and hope you guys have a good weekend coming up, and see you guys later.